Good evening, guys. My name is Uma Shankar from Aspire Education, and there is one more student with me. And I have also taught him use of have, and we are going for question answer session. I will ask question to him based on use of have, which I have taught him already. And in the last video you have seen, I have made him practice on use of have. So I'll ask question and you will answer in English, okay, with yes and no. So let's see, let's watch the video how you can ask question and how you can answer, okay, based on use of that. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so do you have fever?
No, I don't have fever.
Do you have headache?
No, I don't have headache.
Do you have English knowledge?
Yes, I have English knowledge.
Do you have any disease?
No, I don't have any disease.
Okay, do you have time to learn English?
Yes, I have time to learn English.
Do you have time to attend class?
Yes, I have time to attend class.
Do you have time to spend with me?
Yes, I have time to spend with you.
Do you have time to practice?
Yes, I have time to practice.
Do you have time to read newspaper?
Yes, I have time to read newspaper.
Okay, do you have time to watch movie?
Yes, I have time to watch movie.
Do you have time to celebrate birthday?
Yes, I have time to celebrate birthday.
Okay, do you have time to celebrate party?
Yes, I have time to celebrate party.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Do you have money to pay fee?
Yes, I have money to pay fee.
Do you have money to pay bill?
Yes, I have money to pay bill.
Okay, do you have money to watch a movie?
Yes, I have money to watch movie.
Okay, just you will have to answer in with no also. Okay, so do you have money to watch a movie?
No, I don't have.
Watch movie. Okay, do you have money to pay rent?
No, I don't have money to pay rent.
Okay, do you have money to go there?
No, I don't have money to go there.
Go there. Okay, do you have any doubt in subject?
No, I don't have any doubt in subject.
Do
This
you have,
subject.
okay, do you have any doubt in singular noun?
No, I don't have any doubt in singular noun.
Do you have any doubt in plural noun?
No, I don't have any doubt in plural noun.
Okay. सो गाइज अभी मैंने इनको हैव पढ़ाया था, उस पर प्रैक्टिस भी कराया था. नाउ वी हैव डन द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. तो इंग्लिश जो देखो, इंग्लिश बेसिकली इन एवरी वीडियो I tell you that okay, if you are studying grammar only, you can never speak English. Okay, first you will have to do the practice. Suppose कुछ भी whatever you are going to